Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is EdTech. Hope you all guys are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be on the topic Accenture Welcome Kit. Okay, so we will have a look at all of the things that you are getting when you join Accenture. Okay, so we will discuss about laptop, diary, bottle, pen, gift vouchers, chocolates, and greetings, all of those things. Okay, so let us move forward. Now, if you have got an offer from Accenture, then congratulations for this offer. Okay, and if you are still searching for jobs, then all the best. Okay, guys. Now let us move and have a look at the welcome kit. Okay, so if you look at the welcome kit, you will notice that there is a box. Okay, so if you are joining in office directly, okay, so in that case, you'll be getting this box when you join on that particular day. Otherwise, if you are working from home and you are getting this, like you are joining this Accenture company, then you will be getting this couriered at your home, okay, or at the destination address. Now, what do you get inside this box? Okay, so let us have a look at one by one. So here you will get this white colored box. Okay, in that box you'll find that a welcome message is written over here, and in that box you'll find a bottle. Okay, so this is Accenture branded bottle which is made out of like it is covered with wooden like structure, and inside it is a glass bottle. Okay, so this is the first thing. The second thing is that you will be getting a pen. Now, what does this pen indicate? This pen is again made out, it looks like a wooden structure, but it is actually made out of synthetic material. Okay, so you get a pen which is again Accenture branded. Then you have a diary. Okay, so it is a diary which is Accenture branded again. You get two different sets of diaries, like two different diaries. Okay, one it in purple color and the second one is in white color. Okay, you will also get a greeting, okay, which will tell you that welcome to Accenture, and there will be a message that will be written on the greeting card. Okay, so here there are no Cadbury's or there are no chocolates, there are no vouchers, okay, that you get after joining Accenture. Okay, here you will find that you might also get a headphone if you are lucky. In some people's cases they did not get any headphone, okay, any headsets, so you will have to look out on your own for the headsets. Okay, now if you talk about the laptop, definitely you will get a laptop from them. It can be either from HP or Dell. Okay, some people also get the MacBooks, okay, depending on the amount of work or the softwares that you will be working or the teams in which you will be working. Okay, because there are some applications which only run on Mac, so that is the reason the probability of getting Mac is very less compared to that of this Windows based or Linux servers, okay, Linux laptops. Okay, based. So this is about the welcome kit, guys. If you have joined any company and if you want us to make a video on your welcome kit, do let us know in the comment section. Otherwise, you can directly mail us at business.ed@gmail.com. I will give the email ID in the description. You can mail us the image, you can write a simple message, and we will definitely make a video on your welcome kit so that it will be a motivation for all of the people who want to join that particular company. Okay, guys, do let us know in the comment section what do you feel about this series, and we will continue to bring more such interesting videos for all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Hope you have a good day.